Good morning mga kakilay. Nagising na si Rich. And there you go. Baby Rich have a lot of. And kasi kahapon guys, nagpunta kami ng bayan. Dumaan kami sa shopping mall. Mr. DIY. May gusto siyang bilhin doon. Hindi ko nabili. Ayan. Ano na lang yung... Yeah, how about your toys? No? How about your makeup toys?
Okay.
Why? Malungkot siya. Where is the toy? Huh? You forgot it? Where? Haba ng nose. Iyak siya ng iyak kahapon. Grabe kakawawa. Where's your toys?
I don't know.
You don't know. We forgot it in the market, in the store. No? We forgot it. Oh. We wish don't have toys and home and food. Na, wawa. Only that na lang, ha? Only that na lang.
Yeah.
Okay. Magic. Aba! Oh. Oh, isa pa. Oh! Isa pa. Oh! Magic mo na, magic. You want to eat that? Huh? You give it to baby. Are you excited to meet our baby? Huh? Say happy birthday, Daddy. Say happy birthday. Huh? You're a Macdo? Huh? You're a Macdo? Baby, kahina. I have a dream.
A dream, Mommy?
Yeah.
A dream?
Yes.
Yes?
We go to the, ocean park.
Why?
And so many fish.
So many fish?
Yeah, you want to go there?
No.
Why? Because... Ninang is there. Ninang is there. Look, Ninang. What's that? Naalala niyo yung toys.
Alala niyo pa rin.
Where is your toys?
Where's your...
I don't know.
Naku, naiwan mo yun sa bayan.
You forgot it in the bayan. No?
Balikan natin?
Balik. Sa house.
Babalikan natin yun sa bayan, ha?
Balik ikaw sa bayan?
Yeah.
Ano? Magicin mo sila. Dali your hands. Show them your hands. It's magic.
Like my mouth.
Game. No. Ano? Ano?
Fish.
Yeah, it's look like a fish. Bebe. What is that? It's a...
Touch it, Mommy. Touch it, Mommy.
I got it. What is that pa? What is that? Uy, your eyes. It's big. Ala, your teeth is broken na. So, yun mga kakilay, ganina, alas 4 a.m. in the morning. Nagyakag siya kumain kasi sabi niya,
Mama, my mouth.
La, you're like a lola. Sabi niya, Mommy, wake up, I'm so hungry. Kahina na, you remember? Mommy, wake up, I'm so hungry now. Mommy, I want to eat rice, milk, and sugars. Diba? You remember that? Huh? Baby, Kuya Rel is going to school na. You go to school na? Huh? What? There's a bird in the sky. Yeah. Ta-da!
I help you, Mommy.
What you want? What you want?
It's Mommy. Let's open it, Mommy.
Here, guys, we're gonna open the breadsticks.
The breadstick.
Say my name.
My name is Baby J.F. Powers.
Very good. How old are you?
I am 8.
I am 3
I am 3.
years old.
I am 3 years
My
old.
mommy's name is... What is the name of your mommy? Mommy?
Baby J.F. Powers.
Mommy? Ella. Who is your mommy? Pangit yan. Do that. Say. What will you say to mommy? What will you say to mommy? Uy. What?
Ispuguan dito matyanit ang baby. Dito. Dito.
You love your baby? You love the baby? Huh? You love baby? It's so yummy. Huh? You love the baby in the stomach of mommy? Huh? Malapit na siya lumabas. Are you excited? Rich, are you excited?
Nagmatay.
Maybe the baby wants to go out na. Are you excited? What is the name of the baby?
Yung grade lewi sa damit.
Still, ano siya? Sleeping.
Oh, you see this is the baby?
Still sleeping siya. Yeah?
Sorry.
What do you call that bread? What do you call to that bread? It's a bread
It's a bread.
stick.
It's a bread stick.
Yeah, because why do you think it's called breadstick? Because it's like a
It's a
stick.
candy.
No, because it's like a stick. That's why it's called breadstick.
It's like a stick.
Yeah. Look, oh, it's so long. It's like a stick. Diba? Okay, guys, eat tayo. Masarap to. Sabi mo.
You get, Mommy. You get.
Ay, I can't. Why because mommy is so small? You want milk? I will make a milk. You saw it in the milk. Just get food, ha? And you tell to them. Hi guys, I'm alone because mommy's getting food.
I'm king get the iron. Baby will get on because mommy get ours. And fish. That? No, 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 no. Go away. No, 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 no. Oh. Lenong. Lenong.
What did you do? Huh? You want water? What did you say to them? We're eating, guys. Breakfast in bed. Water. Dali, eat now. Now you magic. Did you magic them?
Mama, look my hands.
Look, you tell them. I'll show them. I'll go. Kain, guys. Oh my god! My merchant is missing.
He said magic.
Magic! Wow! It came back. It's so yummy.
No.
You only want bread? The birds wants bread only.
Wow. Mama, you want it.
It's a bread stick.
Mama, you. Mama, you.
Oh no!
Mama, you. It's big.
It's long.
It's big.
It's so
I
long.
will eat it.
Oh my god. It's so long, guys. Baby, Tito Yohan, go to school na pala.
Huh?
Tito Yohan. Go to school kahina. Tito Yohan, go to school kanina. Baby Dede is still sleeping.
Baby, Daddy, wake up! Baby, Daddy, wake up!
Where's Sleeping pa siya. It's not moving. Later tong gising niya. When he wants milk. Are you excited to meet baby Day Day? Hmm? Rich, where is your daddy? Hmm? Where is your daddy?
Mommy,
Dali na. Di ba you want to go in the store?
No. Yes.
You want?
Yes.
In the Lola store?
No.
Why?
I want to restore in my house.
Because we're gonna tinda there.
But I don't try. But I don't try to help you. Yeah.
Why?
Because I'm supposed to try to sleep.
We need to help Lola. To sell.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god.
What is that? It's a...
Cool.
Hmm?
Oh my god. It's red.
Alam. You're like a duck.
Mama.
Maybe when you go to school, what will you say to your classmates? Say, hi classmates. No, don't lay down, huh? Because the bread will go into your head, not in your stomach. You want your food go into your head, not in the stomach? Hmm?
Over in the stomach, Mommy.
Mm-mm. Or no? Yes or no? Hmm? Hmm. Bibili tayo doon sa tindahan. We're going to walk. Ito lang. Hmm? In the bed.
Go. I go up the hill. Don't you mind?
Let's go up na. We're gonna dance na outside. You will drink vitamin ay gamot ha. Wait, mommy there. Mommy will just get your gamot.
Then, Mommy. I forgot my pens. He forgot my pens. And the tape and got it. And the taste. And the what it. Then it's a toy. Then it's a toy. Then it's a video. Then it's a ketchup.
Hello? Aray ko. What are you doing?